Hello everyone. So we'll learn this small animation using this GeoGebra. It is very simple and it takes less time. So let's start. So I have opened a GeoGebra page and here it is in graphics mode. So what I'll do first, I'll set this graph page to the middle. Either I can use this move graphics view or I can simply drag it. Then I'll draw a circle. Circle with center and radius. I'm taking the second one. So center will be at my origin and radius I'm taking as 4. You can take 5, 3, 7, whatever, depending on the size. So this is a circle I'll draw. Next I'll take a point on it, any point. So point on the object, not this one, second one. So I'll keep the point here and next I'll go for a semicircle. So here is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th semicircle is written. So I'll join this and it is a semicircle. Now I cannot see what I have drawn. So I'll go for the view algebra. Here view, I'll go to algebra. Then I can see what I am drawing. What I have drawn, I have drawn point AO, circle A4 and this point and semicircle is 6. Next I am doing, I am giving some properties to the or settings to the semicircle. So I'll right click on this, go to settings like this, or I can go from here also. So then I'll go to show the trash. That means it will show where it is going. See, if I click it, it is going like this. So it is animating. But I want to make it colorful. So what I'll do, I'll go to the semicircle, go to setting. Here, go for advanced. I'll go to dynamic colors. So here see, this is red, green, blue. Here I will give the color to the point. That point was B. We can see B. One thing I want to say here this name of the point is not given here. It is there, but I have hidden this point by taking these settings. I'm showing you the settings. I've taken no label. I've selected no label. That means A, B will not be printed on this. So I'm giving the color to this semicircle. Here I'll go for the advanced dynamic colors. See, I'm giving the point. First is X coordinate of B. Write X, and whenever you will click on this bracket on the keyboard, it will give you two colors. So that point was B, so I have given B. And next I'm changing the Y coordinate. It will be B. And this one you can take any of the combination, can take 2x, can take 3x. I'm taking twice x. Again I'm writing B. Okay. So now just see now how the color is doing. This is the animation. Animation is also here. You can stop by here. You can also stop here. So this is the things. Now I want to give the background as a nice thing. So what we'll do, I'm just just click on this graphics, click on this one, then I'm going to the settings, algebra, then graphics, go to the advanced one. Here there are the background colors. I can take black or blue. Okay. See, I don't want the graphics one, so I'll click plain one. Now I'm getting this beautiful design. You can hide the algebra view. So you'll go to the settings and click this algebra, so it will get this one. So here you can change into that XY coordinate to or you can take 3x, 2y. You will find that it will be moving in different, it will be different colors. So thank you for watching.